Welcome back. Now, Amazon Video Direct will give you the opportunity to upload a trailer for your video. And in order to do that, there are sites designed to create visually pleasing video without needing to have lots of skill. There are cloud-based applications such as Animoto, Biteable, Animatron, and Go Animate. What you'll do is you'll create a video, you'll download the MP4 video, and then re-upload that video to your Amazon Video Direct account. Now, if you are creating a more personal trailer and you want to do a talking head video, you can do that very easily in YouTube. And all you'll need to do is when you go to your account, you'll need to click this button that says create a video or post. When you do that, you're going to have the opportunity to either upload a video or go live. You're going to click go live. When you do that, YouTube is then going to use your microphone and your camera. What you will do then is you will record your video here on your YouTube channel. You'll then be able to go live with your video, and then once you record that video, you will then be able to have it on your channel. Once you have the video in your video channel, you'll be able to go to one of these drop down arrows. You'll then be able to click download MP4 video. Then you'll come back to your Amazon Video Direct account. You will then click browse so that you can find the file on your desktop. Once you have your trailer in place, you can then click save. Amazon will then upload your additional video, and you are ready then again to start the publication process, but this time you have a trailer with your title. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.